Hi guys, this is Carol. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to my channel. Right here, I have compiled a few still shot, sort of like textbook style of an application and a finish, including hand filing and e-filing of a video that I just put up. Sometimes, people learn differently, and sometimes still shots like in your textbook can be helpful, and so I've included some of them here in this video. So if you need a quick reminder of what steps come after each other, please enjoy. So right here, I'm demonstrating how I'm going into and what angle I'm going in to create a stiletto shape. I'm also demonstrating cuticle work on that particular nail. In this video, which I'm going to link the original video to this one in the description box, I was going from one nail, completing the complete process of one nail, and then moving on to the next, which is not the way you would normally do it if you're working on yourself or a guest. But in this particular scenario, and if you watch the video, it will make sense why I was doing it this way. So showing some positions for hand filing on yourself. It's very different when you are hand filing on somebody else. The perspective is different. Also some e-filing perspectives on getting the perfect shape and finish, right? Here you can see I've already done some hand filing, and I'm in here now working the e-file on the top and on the sides to retrofit the nail to my finger. And this one was just some hand filing work I'm doing right here and showing how I hold the file. The file is straight up and down. My thumb is providing pressure to the file so that it gives you a clean line. If you don't have a good hand filing game, you're probably not in the game at all, right? So you have to know exactly how to hand file and e-file to get the desired results. Here I'm doing some cuticle work, some side wall work. And I needed to notice a little bit of the rotation of my hand, and that I have a stabilizing finger, which is my pinky on the opposite hand, that's holding my hand in place so that e-file does not jump off of my hand while I'm working, which can actually cause some damage. Here, I'm just feeling for smoothness, actually. You all know I'm big on smoothness. And I'm also utilizing a fine sanding band to help me go around the cuticles some more, make sure the cuticles are sealed, and for smoothness. If your nails is not smooth and the cuticle is not sealed, please do not move on from this process to polishing or anything like that. So here it is. I'm using my sponge hand file style buffer, and I'm buffing the top, the sides, and the underneath of the nail. Right? Look at the shape on that thumbnail. And this file is a 180, I believe it's a 180 buffer. And I'm also using my version of swipe to keep sanitize the nails before applying a polish. And I'm going in with some eye gel clear, and I'm also utilizing some Madam Glam is what I chose to use for the design work that I'm doing. And I'm doing some marbling. You might want to look at the actual video to see the process that I'm doing. But I put some clear down. I did not cure it. And I put 3 contrasting colors. And I'm just using my dotting tool to move the product from left to right. And I use a little cleanup brush to clean up any excess product that was leaking over on the sides. And so as a beginner, you don't have to have all the skills to do marbling with actual acrylic powder. You can actually achieve the same thing with gel polish. Once again, I would refer you to the original video so you can see that process. And yeah, that's it, guys. And finish up the work. You cure it for the appropriate time for curing. And make sure to clean up before you insert your hand into the lamp. And if you follow these steps, you will be sure to be putting out some really great nail work in the near future. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun for me taking the still shots out so you can see it. Like I said, like and subscribe, and please share with a friend.